Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Bay, local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing the right cheap North Bay moving company for your local or long-distance move isn't easy. 3 Movers makes it easier with the best services at inexpensive prices. Our team of professional movers has helped families relocate, businesses move, students get settled into dorm rooms, and even military members with last-minute moves. You can enjoy plenty of benefits from our long-distance moving services, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We provide all the right options to make relocating easier. Whether your long-distance move will cover 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles, we can help make it easier. Let us show you how a professional move should be done. Are you ready to handle a local move, but you need a good Canada moving company? Without professional movers, you could end up injured with the heavy lifting. It can also lead to damaged items. 3 Movers takes all the worry out of your local move. With our streamlined process, you will save time and energy. There will be no reason to worry about injury, as we will do all the heavy lifting for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Bay moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.